Alright, what's up guys? Going to a local car meet. Gonna see some sick cars, so let's get there. Meeting up with everybody and then we're gonna head over there. Just looks like they're all right there. Mickey brought his BMW. Eric came. 335i. There's a nasty vet over there. Damn.
Oh, that's freaking.
So we're all leaving right now. Veloster Vic behind me. What's up, boy? So we're all going to the meet right now. I got on the freeway perfect time when they did. So this is all of us right here. It's just gonna be in San Marcos, so. Just pulling in right now to the meet. Just parked right now with this guy, so. Yo, that guy was doing fucking wheelies down the whole parking lot right now. Damn. Veloster Vic coming in last minute. Shit's looking good. Hey, not gonna lie, this thing kind of sounds like an EcoBoost, dog. It does, dude. That Hyundai power. Vagos. The cammed vet. This guy right here has some serious hops. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking thing. Damn. Holy shit. These guys right here, straight bopping. I keep missing it, but.
I saw more at least 20. Like they went to the Evo.
Got an Evo. The vet.
Literally based. I thought isn't it based on the throttle, like how hard you press the throttle?
Damn, Wachalo, sheesh.
Look at the star seats.
Damn.
Hey, no quema. No quema. Hey, no quema.
I really like the look on that intercooler right there. FMICs were always amazing.
What are you doing? Because you're talking to her? I'm not.